Ever wondered what truly sets a great business service apart? Is it the flashy marketing, the rock-bottom prices, or something else entirely? When it comes to something as crucial as a registered agent, the answer often boils down to one simple, yet powerful factor: customer service. For entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even seasoned corporations, navigating the complexities of business formation, compliance, and legal documentation can be a minefield. Every state requires a registered agent, a designated point of contact to receive official legal and government correspondence on behalf of your business. This isn't just a formality. It's a critical role that, if mishandled, can lead to serious penalties, legal issues, or even the dissolution of your business. Imagine missing a lawsuit notification because your mail wasn't properly handled, or failing to file an annual report due to a forgotten deadline. The consequences can be devastating. This is where a reliable registered agent service becomes indispensable. They act as your official, always available point of contact, ensuring you receive critical documents promptly and stay compliant with state regulations. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? This is where we shine a spotlight on Northwest Registered Agent and, more specifically, dive deep into what makes their customer service a standout feature in a crowded market. Northwest Registered Agent has been in the business since 1998, building a reputation not just for their core registered agent services, but for their commitment to a principle they call privacy by default and, crucially, their personalized customer support. They're not always the cheapest option, but as the saying goes, you get what you pay for. And with Northwest, many argue that what you pay for is peace of mind. So, what makes Northwest Registered Agents' customer service so highly regarded? It really comes down to a few key pillars that differentiate them from many competitors. First and foremost, Northwest assigns each customer a dedicated corporate guide. Think of this as your personal business expert. Instead of being shunted from one anonymous support agent to another, having to re-explain your situation every time you call, you work with the same individual or a small, consistent team. This provides a level of continuity and understanding that is invaluable. Your corporate guide gets to know your business, your specific needs, and your history with Northwest. This personalized approach fosters trust and efficiency, making it far easier to resolve issues or get clear, consistent advice. Many online reviews specifically highlight this aspect, praising the responsiveness and helpfulness of their assigned guides. Users frequently mention working with the same representative over time, which speaks volumes about the consistency of their support. Another significant differentiator is their emphasis on direct communication. In an age where many companies hide behind automated phone trees and slow email responses, Northwest Registered Agent makes it easy to connect with a real person. Their phone number is prominently displayed on their website, and they actively encourage direct calls. They even go as far as to state that you can reply to any email they send and get a response from your corporate guide before the end of business hours. This commitment to accessibility means you're not left waiting endlessly for a critical answer when time is of the essence. This stands in stark contrast to some competitors who are notorious for being difficult to reach or offering only generic, unhelpful responses. Northwest's philosophy extends to a no upsells or unnecessary add-ons approach. This directly impacts their customer service experience. Many providers in this space aggressively push additional services, often distracting from your core needs and making the interaction feel sales-driven rather than service-oriented. Northwest, by contrast, focuses on providing clear, transparent pricing and only offering services that are truly beneficial to their clients. This creates a more relaxed and trustworthy customer service environment, where the focus remains on solving your problem, not selling you something you don't need. Furthermore, their privacy by default policy isn't just about protecting your data from being sold. It also influences their customer service interactions. They aim to keep your personal address off public records by using their own business address as your registered agent address. This commitment to privacy extends to how they handle your inquiries and information, reinforcing a sense of security and discretion in their customer interactions. While some competitors offer 24/7 chat support, which Northwest doesn't, the quality of Northwest support consistently earns praise. Users often prefer the knowledgeable, personalized help they receive from a dedicated corporate guide over automated systems or generic responses, even if it means waiting for standard business hours. This highlights a strategic choice on Northwest's part, prioritizing quality and expertise over round-the-clock, potentially less effective, automated solutions. Of course, no service is entirely without its minor hiccups. A few reviews have mentioned occasional delays in document processing or some difficulty with canceling services. However, these complaints appear to be relatively rare compared to the overwhelming positive feedback regarding their customer support. The general consensus points to Northwest's support being highly reputable and a strong selling point for business owners who value knowledgeable, personalized assistance. Ultimately, choosing a registered agent service is a significant decision for any business. It's not just about meeting a legal requirement. It's about safeguarding your business from potential pitfalls and ensuring smooth operations. Northwest Registered Agent has carved out a niche by prioritizing genuine, human-centric customer service, empowering their clients with dedicated support and transparent practices. Their model demonstrates that while price is a factor, the long-term value of reliable, personalized assistance can far outweigh a slightly higher initial cost. For those who value clear communication, expert guidance, and a service that truly has your back, Northwest Registered Agent's customer service consistently delivers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.